12 myths about survival, as well as tips on how to act in emergency situations. These simple, at first glance, tips may one day save you. Modern people are absolutely not ready for situations in which they will have to fight for their lives. Do or die. 1. Something got in the eye. If you get something in your eye, for example, a piece of metal or glass, it is best to consult a doctor right away. 2. Applying ointment. Ointments contain moisture and are an excellent breeding ground for bacteria. It is better to wash the wound with cool water and soap and apply a dry bandage. 3. Rubbing with alcohol or vinegar. Rubbing with alcohol and vinegar is undesirable. Just let the patient drink a lot of fluids, water, tea, and other soft drinks. 4. Loss of consciousness. If a person has lost consciousness, just lift the victim's legs and unbutton his clothes. 5. Burns. In case of a burn, it is better to make a cold compress in the appearance of a blister on the burned area will protect the wound from infection and infection. 6. Dislocation of the bone. In case of dislocation, it is best to fix the damaged limb and consult a doctor as soon as possible. 7. Stretching. A cold compress helps perfectly. It will relieve inflammation and pain. 8. Poisoning. Do not induce vomiting. Firstly, the poison can get into the lungs, and secondly, if poisoned with some chemicals, vomiting can cause a throat burn. But in any case, call an ambulance. 9. Rescue of drowning. Remember, you need to approach the drowning person from behind, grab his chin or armpits, and move to the shore, keeping his head above water. 10. Extraction of objects from wounds. Do not attempt to remove objects from serious wounds. The fact is that while the object is inside the wound, it delays bleeding, so it is better not to touch the wound before the arrival of doctors. 11. Applying ice to a bruise. Usually ice is applied to the bruise, but there should be a piece of cloth between the bruise and the ice flow. This will help protect you from a cold burn. 12. Suturing the wound. Usually the wounds are sewn up, but sometimes glue for the skin is suitable. It seizes very quickly and causes almost no pain. But in any case, call an ambulance. Put likes and write in the comments about whether my video is useful. Subscribe to the channel. See you in the next story.